If you think about science, it kind of boils down to the superposition of theory, modeling, and experiment. And experiment ultimately means measurement. A couple themes that I really noticed today, and I've been noticing them kind of out in the world the last few years, has been higher definition measurements. The kind of questions we're asking and the kind of things we're interested in exploring are requiring more and more higher definition measurements. Aerosol particles, today we heard about that. We heard about cellular electrical impulses. We heard about peak capacities, increasing. We heard about more comprehensive and selective fragmentation techniques. But if you put all those together, they're all kind of in the theme of higher definition one way or another. The other thing is faster and higher throughput measurements to increase the scale that we can do measurements on. I think those two themes are really interesting because if you think about how they feed back then into theory, modeling, and experiment, well, they feed back in a very meaningful way. They will enable us to ask completely new questions, form new models, and of course, adapt our theories to match the new learnings that we've had. Agilent, in essence, is a measurement science company, and sometimes people ask why collaborate with academia. If you think about what academia really can do, academia is asking questions about new measurement science capabilities and techniques. It's exploring those and the applications of them, and ultimately, though, it's leading to new ideas, and it's also developing new people that have those new ideas, and those relationships are priceless for us. And this particular Measurement Science Symposium, I'm absolutely just ecstatic about what it's doing in terms of bringing new ideas. I've probably written down 4 or 5 new ideas today that I plan to take back into Agilent. I think some of my colleagues have too. And hopefully all of you have been stimulated to say, hey, I learned something new that I might be able to apply in some way to what I'm doing.